Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give a clear introduction of what is the importance of the bugs and what are the consequences of the bugs in this video. In this video, we are discussing about the consequences and the importance of the bugs. And in the past videos, we have discussed various kinds of the types of the test, model for testing and dichotomies and introduction. Please watch all the playlist of the software testing methodologies. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about importance of the bugs. Where the importance of the bugs normally depends upon. The importance of the bug normally depends upon the frequency of the bug and correction cost of the bug, installation cost of the bug, and what are the consequences, that means the results of that particular bug that leads to. So these are all the factors which gives the importance of the bug. Okay, so what is the frequency of the bug? Frequency means what? How frequently, how many number of the times the same bug has occurred, that is called as the frequency. Okay, frequency means the total number of the occurrences of the same bug or type of the bug. Okay, and next one is correction cost. How much cost is needed to correct that particular bug? Okay, so what is the cost actually totally to recover from that bug? Okay, that is called as the correction cost. Normally the correction cost is sum of the two factors. It depends upon two different factors. Number one, the cost of the discovery, and the second one, the cost of the correction. What is the meaning of the cost of discovery here? The cost of detecting that particular bug wherever it is existing, that is also expensive. And the cost of correction, so how to remove that, how to overcome that particular bug, that is called as the cost of correction. So these two are main factors that rely on the correction of the cost of the bug. Okay, and the third one is called as installation cost. What is the installation cost normally? Okay, so installation cost actually depends upon for online systems and offline systems and distributed systems and single systems. It differs. Okay, for online systems the installation cost is very high, and for distribution systems also the installation cost is very high, and for offline systems it's okay, and for single user system also it's very less comparing to online and distributed systems. Okay, next we are going to discuss about consequences. What are the various consequences of the bug? What are the consequences means what actually? These are the results after occurring the bug. What are the results that will happen for the bug? That's called as the consequences. Okay, so bug consequences are normally rated on a 10 scale, 1 to 10 scale. That means starting from the less effect to the severe effect. That means less effect means that is categorized as mild, and severe effect that is categorized as catastrophic. Okay, like that on a 10 scale, the bug consequences are scaled on a 1 to 10 scale. Okay, so here now based on all these factors, whatever factors we have discussed up to now. Number one, frequency. Number two, the correction cost. Number three, installation cost. Number four, consequences. Okay, so based on all these, sorry, the number mistake here. Actually, installation cost is third one, and consequences is the fourth one. Number mistake is there here. Okay, sorry. So based on all these factors, we are calculating the measurement that is called as the importance of that particular bug. How can we measure the importance of that particular bug? Importance is given as frequency into correction cost plus installation cost plus consequential cost. That means the sum of the total costs, correction, installation and consequence into frequency multiplied by frequency, that gives the importance, and bug importance can be denoted with the dollar symbol. So how this bug importance can be measured? By correction, by combining, sorry, by adding three number of the cost, that includes correction, installation and consequential costs multiplied with the frequency of that particular bug, that gives the importance of that particular bug. So this is a formula for calculating the importance of the bug. So importance of the bug is depends upon, sorry, importance of the bug is depends upon these many factors like frequency, correction cost, next one is installation cost and consequences. These are all highly affecting factors of the bug importance. Based on that, we can take a numerical measurement to measure the importance of the bug. Okay, next we see what are the various consequences of the bugs. As I told previously, the consequences of the bugs can be measured in terms of human rather than machine. That means 1 to 10 scale, these are measured, okay, starting from the mild to catastrophic or infectious. Okay, the first one is the mild. What is the meaning of the mild? Means the symptoms of the bug is very less, the effect of the bug is very less. Okay, so that means the after occurring of the bug, whatever severity symptoms will be there, those are very less. Okay, so very less effective bug, such kind of the bug is called as mild bug. Okay, the next one is the moderate bug. What is the meaning of the moderate bug? Here outputs are misleading or redundant outputs are coming. Okay, somewhat it affects the system performance moderately. So that's why it's called as the moderate bug. Next one is the annoying bug. So this annoying bug is one kind of the bug which disturbing the system's behavior. Okay, so because the bug is a dehumanizing bug, it developed in a way to reduce the system's performance and as well as reduce the good behavior of the system. So such kind of the bugs are called as annoying bugs. The next one is disturbing bugs. What are the disturbing bugs actually? So these are whenever working with the transactions, these bugs will the effect of these bugs will be very high. Okay, so illegal transactions, what for the correct transaction also is it is showing the wrong result. Such kind of the bugs are called as disturbing bugs. We can various examples include for these bugs are ATM won't give you money and it gives the valid credit card, it is giving the message as invalid credit card, like that. Such kind of the bugs are treated as the disturbing bugs. And next one is serious. What is the meaning of the serious bugs? It loses the track of the transactions, it goes to the another way, and sometimes it may give some wrong transactions, it may cause loss of data also. Those are called as serious bugs. Very serious bugs. Okay, this directly goes to the wrong transactions, misleading of the data and all these things. Such kind of the bugs are called as very serious bugs. Okay, next one is extreme. What is the extreme? It is a super degree than serious and as well as very serious. It affects more for these wrong transactions. Okay, so it is not limited to one single user. It is applicable to whole number of the users who are working with the system. So all of the users are losing their transactions, they are getting the wrong transactions. That is very bad situation. Such kind of the situation is called as extreme. Such kind of the situations normally caused by these extreme bugs. So extreme bugs are very harmful bugs. The next one is intolerable. What are intolerable bugs? Which are bugs which are long term unrecoverable bugs will be there. Those are bugs, these bugs are not easily recovered, so that and not easily identified and not it is easily detected also. Such kind of the bugs are called as intolerable bugs. Intolerable bugs are also very dangerous. For a long time standing bugs, those are which cannot be detected easily and which cannot be recovered also easily. Okay, so catastrophic bugs. What is the meaning of this catastrophic bugs? The system itself will be damaged and it will be shut it down by losing the data. So losing failure of the entire system, shutting down itself. All these situations are called as catastrophic bugs. Very bad situation that is. Okay, so these bugs are called as catastrophic bugs. And the last category bugs, those are called as infectious bugs. What are infectious bugs actually? These are infecting the entire system. Sometimes they may infect with the other system also. So often these are treated as malwares and viruses, vital information resource underseas. These are malwares and viruses. So these severely affect the entire system. So that's why these are highly dangerous. Okay, so like that the bugs are categorized as mild, moderate, annoying, disturbing, serious, very serious, extreme, intolerable, catastrophic and infectious, like that. 10 number of the types of the bugs. And importance of the bug can be calculated by basing on these factors: frequency, correction cost, installation cost, and as well as the consequential cost. So this is the formula of the importance of the bug. So like that, bug consequences and importance of the bugs can be represented. So in the coming videos, we talk much more on the software testing methodologies, taxonomy of the bugs, a new concept, okay, in the first unit that we will discuss in the coming videos. So for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Please watch all the videos. Please watch more subjects. Thank you for watching.